Carrot beetroot juice recipe. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a carrot beetroot juice recipe, a detox drink for clear skin, weight loss and loads of energy. It's really simple and easy to make, so let's get started. These are the ingredients we'll be needing for our carrot beetroot juice recipe. Beetroot. Always make sure to wash the beetroot before you start to use it. We'll be using half of the beetroot for this recipe. Wow, look at it, so colorful, so red. Peel the skin of the beetroot. Cut the beetroots into little bits for easy blending. Beets are known for its blood purifying properties. The next ingredient is carrot. Please make sure to wash the carrots before you start to cut them into bits. Now that all the ingredients have been prepared, let's pour them all into the blender. Beetroot, carrot, we'll be adding a secret ingredient to this mix, lemon. So I'm using half of this lemon for the recipe. So let's squeeze it into the blender. A glass of water into the blender. Now let's blend everything together. Sieving the juice is optional. Carrot beetroot juice is a delicious drink. A great detox drink for clear skin, weight loss, and loads of energy. Carrot beetroot juice recipe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.